Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review in an unbiased state. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Glyco Sync capsule. So this is basically a capsule that is optimizer for the blood formula, and it provides you with the formula for healthy circulation and stable levels of your blood. So these pills actually contain 60 capsules and it has a 4.0 rating, which is based on 5 reviews. So ideally this is a good overall rating, but you can see like it is only based on 5 reviews, which raises concerns about its authenticity because only few members have actually purchased and reviewed this product. As you can see, it made bold claims like it can maximize your strength and it has all natural glucosine pills. So this is a pretty much bold claim because no pills can actually claim to be all natural. This is certainly not possible because these kind of dietary supplements actually include some kind of artificial stuff. So including all kind of natural things in an artificial supplement is probably not possible. Apart from that, they have also enlisted the list of ingredients that are included that can help you for the ideal performance overall. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, this product actually claims that they are FDA approved. So now I have tried to search for it, and as you can see, this product is not actually approved by the dietary supplement FDA. So this raises concerns about its authenticity. Apart from that, I have tried for search for its domain name on the whois domain, and you can see they have registered recently, so which raises concerns about its originality. So in conclusion, I would say like this dietary supplements is pretty much a scam and you should avoid buying it. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.